businesses in the Philippines. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Anush Agarwal.
Thank you, Apple. Sorry, I have I can say sexy and a very heavy voice today. So please pardon me for that. Good morning, everyone. Maganda Gomaga sa inyong lahat and a very, very warm welcome. Thank you for being here with us today. We are excited to have you join us for this dynamic showcase of infinite possibilities with Canon. Today is about more than just technology. It is about a story of innovation, efficiency, and growth. It's a story powered by Canon's ongoing commitment to helping businesses not just keep up but get ahead. In a world where speed, value, efficiencies are vital, Canon responds with smart, scalable, and cost-effective printing solutions. Whether you are running a startup or managing enterprise-level operations, our solutions are designed to help you streamline workflows, maximize productivity, and unlock new possibilities. With mega value, mega efficiency, and mega versatility, Canon printers are more than machines. They are enablers of progress and partner in your performance. With Canon, business potential is not just great, it's infinite. We are especially grateful to have you here as our media partners. Your voice plays a greater role in shaping conversation and amplifying stories that matter to us. We hope that this event gives you a deeper understanding of how we continue to push boundaries, not only in technology, but in empowering the business we support. Once again, thank you for being with us. We look forward to an inspiring and engaging session going ahead. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal, for that insightful introduction to Canon's business-focused vision. Of course, this morning, we'll also like to recognize the presence of Mr. John Yu, our Director for Consumer Information and Imaging, and of course, Mr. Tu Kok Kyong, our Regional Director for Printers. Okay, let's move on now to dive deeper into the updates of Canon's marketing initiatives and exciting promotions. Let's all welcome Ace Perlet, Marketing Communications Manager for Canon Marketing Philippines.
Thank you, Apple. Kumusta po? Good morning, everyone. And again, thank you for joining us. As mentioned by Apple, we see a lot of familiar faces. Now, you've been very supportive of Canon every time we do these kinds of events. So again, thank you for joining us today. So it's a very interesting day, no, as we also introduce our campaign for businesses, that is Infinite Possibilities for Business. So this campaign aims to reaffirm our commitment to empower local businesses with reliable, high-quality printing solutions that's designed to boost productivity and growth. No? This is part of Canon's business-focused strategy in making premium technologies easily available to enterprises of all sizes. So what we're trying to say is that with Canon, possibilities are infinite. So our printers are good for business. They are designed to meet the demands of modern workplaces with high reputation on reliability, efficiency, and high quality output. Now let me share with you some of the key selling propositions of our products that can push your business to the max. Number one would be our printers offer low-cost printing. Actually, the price of our inks are already priced very affordably. But starting last month in March, we reduced the price on several of our popular ink products, further reducing the total cost of ownership for businesses. So right now, if you buy a Pixma printer, you go to Glorieta, buy the new Pixma 2730, 4740, and it uses these inks. No? So the cost per print is now at 0.058. Another series is the GI790. The cost per print is now at 0.063. The reason why we're highlighting this is because the industry average cost per print is at 0.65, which means that Canon is now at already have the lowest cost per print for black and white printouts. Also, if you later on choose to purchase the Maxify printer, it uses the GI76 series of inks. The cost per print is now at 0.11. That is up to 44% off savings, no, if you buy the new ink bottles of Canon. So that's number one, low cost per print. Number two, our printers can handle high volumes and fast printing speeds. Now, with this printer, you can print up to 21,000 pages. That's the highest yield. Making them suitable for small businesses and corporate offices alike. Also, our printers prints very fast. Some of the printers can print up to 18 pages per minute or 18 IPM. We also offer, number three, convenient printing. No? Users can easily print and from any device in their home or workplaces via the Wi-Fi capabilities of our printers. So later on, so if you notice when you enter, the team provided you with a passport, a game. So later on, part of the game is actually for you to print wirelessly. So we encourage you to download the Canon Print app. And then later, so you can also experience how easy it is to actually print photos, documents, using your phone, printing with Canon printers. Next one, our printers are easy maintenance. We have easily removable maintenance cartridges, which ensures minimum downtime and maximum productivity. So back in the day, if you buy maybe like a printer 10 years ago, so pag napupuno yung waistband, what do you usually do? You bring it to the service center. Yeah. So this time, majority of our printers have replaceable maintenance cartridges. You can do it on your own. So you don't need to go to the service center. Do it on your own. Okay, so that's easy maintenance, supercharging productivity, and less downtime. And finally, and I think this is very important, we offer comprehensive 2-year warranty. Worry-free support through Canon's, this is almost 200 already, 180 plus authorized service centers nationwide. So what's the advantage of that? So if you have business in maybe like si Dorcas right now, our speaker, she's from Bacolod, so she doesn't have to fly to Cebu to have the printer service, or he doesn't have to fly to Manila to have the printer service, because in Bacolod, we have authorized service centers. That's almost 200 already, nationwide. So that's peace of mind for businesses. So again, we with Canon, infinite possibilities because of our mega value, mega efficiency, mega versatility. So it's no wonder why the Canon Pixma Mega Tank printers can really help business to thrive because of, again, low cost per print, easy maintenance, fast printing speed, convenient printing, and of course, worry-free service support. Of course, you don't just take my word for it. So I may be lying. We're not telling you the truth. So this time, let me share with you real-life stories of businesses who actually achieve success with the help of Canon Pixma and Maxify printers. So please watch this.
Craft Shop, and what started as a blog 16 years ago has grown into a multimedia team. One of the biggest challenges in any creative business is time. Even with more team members, production can bottleneck, especially during event preparations. Before Canon, printing was a constant stress. Our old printer couldn't keep up with deadlines. We'd run out of ink just right when we needed it the most. Since switching to the Canon Maxify GX5070, our workflow has completely changed. We can prepare kits, print invoices, and handle both walk-ins and online orders all at once. People ask how we manage everything, and honestly, it comes down to this. You can buy time and you can pay for consistency. And that consistency, it builds your reputation. Now with the lower cost of ink bottles and cost per print, you can push your business to the max.
Hi, I'm Mish Ching, a content creator, TVC model, and a business owner as well. My husband and I run a printing business, Brand Me Manila, and we usually do corporate gifts and items like uniforms, notebooks, umbrellas with your company logo. So we usually do a lot of printings and exchange of papers from salesperson, quotation. So you can just imagine, ang dami talagang printed paper every day. If the printer is not designed for fast or heavy printing, it would be hard for us to accommodate more orders, especially pag peak season, diba? And syempre, there are also rush orders. That's why I'm happy that we have the Canon PIXMA G4770 Mega Tank printer. This gives a worry-free printing feel, lalo na for us who actually runs the business, diba? Because this has lower cost of inks and lower printing costs. That means bigger savings for the business. Everybody happy, diba? I believe this printer will help you while you're starting because the Canon PIXMA G4770 Mega Tank printer is now in a very low cost of ink bottle. Kaya you can push your business to the max.
Hi, I'm Richard Enriquez Carvalho, founder of First Realty, an estate management and brokerage firm based in the heart of Metro Manila. I started this company with one goal: to provide a reliable, high-quality real estate services that meets the needs of Filipinos looking to find or manage their next property investment. One of the major pain points we faced early on was printing. Real estate involves an enormous amount of paperwork. Contracts, listing agreements, brochures, reports. It might sound like a small thing, but when you're meeting 3 to 5 clients a day, every minute matters. We needed a more efficient and reliable solution. That's when we discovered the Canon Maxify GX4070 Mega Tank printer. Our team could print brochures, agreements, and property reports smoothly, helping us stay professional, productive, and ready to serve at any moment. It gave our operations a boost and let us focus more on client service and growth, exactly what a business like ours needs in a competitive industry like real estate. And good news to all business owners out there. The Maxify GX4070 Mega Tank printer now has a lower cost of black ink bottle and a lower cost per print, allowing you to push your business to the max.
Okay, so actually we have TP right here. He's one of our partners, no, supporting us during this event as well. So just like TP, Nish, and Richard, no, they were able to empower their business with affordable ink bottles and cost per print, no, with Canon printers. And we've been sharing these wonderful news, no, nationwide through our corporate caravans and business events, also in partnership with our dealers and resellers. And more activities coming from Canon to share this wonderful news, targeting also different industries, even home, even schools. In the next few months, we'll also be partnering with PLDT. This is with their flagship program of Gabay Guro, which aims to empower teachers in terms of giving them education and training and also livelihood. So part of the livelihood is actually teaching them how to start a business using Canon printers. So that's what PLDT. Actually, they're coming here also. They're joining us. In the next few months also, we'll be rolling off our campus tours. So we'll be traveling, I will be going to different schools, sharing all these wonderful features of Canon PIXMA for home, for business, and for personal use. And more activities nationwide to share printing activities together with our partners and our speakers. So yeah, let us. We hope that you can also help us share this wonderful messages, no, to our customers and businesses. So thank you.
Thank you, Ace, for that comprehensive overview of Canon's marketing programs. Now, let's take a closer look at the technology behind Canon's business solutions. I'm pleased to introduce Cristel Marcelino, Product Manager for Printers for Canon Marketing Philippines, who will tell us more about our latest printer models. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Apple. Morning, everyone. Thank you for being with us today in our humble event. So for my part, I'll just quickly introduce our new GX printers to be launched in the market, to be launched soon. So before that, let me share to you our cartridge model lineup. So as you can see, we offer single function, multifunction with Wi-Fi, and even portable printer. So for our portable printer, this is a must-have for med reps and also our lawyers. And then on the right side, you can see our A3 single function printers. These includes the Pro Series for imaging shops and professional photographers. So all in all, we have 21 cartridge printers sold in the market. And then for our CISS or ink tank printers, we have different series targeted to different types of customers with different preferences. So for our G1010 up to G4010, these are our budget-friendly printers. So these are priced below the normal industry price of each segment. For G1730 to G4770, these are the next or the increased print speed printers with better specs. So these are priced close to its direct competitors. So on the right, the rest of the printers are business model printers. So today, the focus would be the GX models or our Maxify lineups. So for our Maxify lineups, these are printers that uses pigment inks. So this is the main difference from the rest of the CISS printers. So all in all, we have 23 CISS or ink tank printers. You might ask, but ang dami? Why do we have 44 printers in the market? So it may be too much for some or too confusing for most. Apart from the printer specs and budget, we segment users by print volume. So our prices ranges from 2,295 to 40,000. Of course, the higher the price, the more the specs. So if you don't print much, just purchase the entry-level printers or the cartridge printers. If your monthly print volume is below 1,000 pages, cartridge printer is the best for you. CISS printers are made for people who prints over 1,000 pages in a month, and usually with multiple users. Why? Because it is built for this purpose. Pangmaramihan siya. There should be daily printing and not just for a couple of pages. So ito yung misconception actually in the market. Not everyone needs CISS printers. You can purchase entry-level printer or yung mga cartridge printer, and the total cost of ownership would be significantly lower compared to buying CISS printers. So for our GX printers, the Maxify printers can accommodate up to 50 users, and it must have a print volume of 2,500 pages per month. So sino na yung mga naging customers namin for Maxify? We have schools, government offices, mga healthcare, hospitals and clinics, mga hotel, construction, and real estate. So these are in different industries and they provide different services, but they all have printing needs. So we have identified or listed 5 needs for this market. It must be cost efficient, user friendly, it must provide improved productivity for you, convenient and durable. So I will explain how our GX models will satisfy these 5 needs. So in here in front, I have the Maxify GX 7170 and Maxify GX 5170. So our GX 7170 is a 4-in-1 printer. So it has ADF and fax. For 5170, it's a single function printer only. So to explain the capabilities of the printer, we will match the need with the features. First is user-friendly. So as Mr. Ace mentioned earlier, it has user-replaceable parts, Mr. Ace. He mentioned about user-replaceable maintenance cartridge. So let me just show asan yung maintenance cartridge. Ito siya. So pag alis mo ng screw dito, you can access or you can remove the old one and replace it with new maintenance cartridge. Okay? Ito siya. Ganun lang siya kadali. You don't need a professional service person to help you change this one. Okay? So, pagtataka kayo, bakit kami nag-introduce ng model na changeable yung maintenance cartridge? Sirain ba yung printer? No. Kasi sa mga print shops or mga institutions, high volume sila mag-print. So, mabilis mapuno yung maintenance cartridge. For most of them, they would need to go to service center to change it. But for us, bili ka lang ganito, less than 500 pesos lang to, you can change it on your own. So it saves you a trip going to service center. So it saves time and cost na rin. Okay? So that's for our maintenance cartridge. Okay? And then auto-duplex printing. So these printers are capable of auto duplex printing, so it's back to back. No need for manual intervention para ma-print yung other side. So for you, hindi mo na kailangan bantayin yung printer. So for example, after nyo ma-print yung other side, hindi mo na kailangan siyang i-turn para ma-print yung the second side. Okay? So that helps you improve your work para ma-print mo yung more pages with less paper. Okay? Next is, it supports wide range of paper media sizes and types. So for GX series, the maximum custom size is 216 by 1200 mm. Ano-ano yung mga papers na yon? We have envelope. Ito yung sample. Kung nagaganito pa kayo, so you can print it using the GX papers, GX printers, glossy paper, and labels. You can also print banner paper. Yung banner paper, it has a maximum length of 1200 mm. Baka hindi kayo maniwala, so nagdala ako ng sample. Ito siya. Maximum is 1200 mm. Okay, so that's the capability of the printer. So apart from printing documents, you can already print your key visuals, mga flyers, mga kakailanganin mo sa store to market your own place. Okay? And then for cost efficiency, in terms of cost efficiency, it's more on the ink cost. So as mentioned by Mr. Ace earlier, the page yield of the black is 6,000, and for CMY collectively, it's 14,000 pages. In economy mode, it can expand up to 9,000 for black and 21,000 for CMI. So this is already 50% more than the standard mode. Okay. How about the price? Magkano siya? Okay, compared with other brand. Okay, let us compare it using CPP or cost per print. So for black, looking at the price, it's more expensive, of course, 1,050 against 955. But for the maximum page yield, our GI76 can print up to 9,000 pages, and the other brand is 7,500 pages. So if you compute the CPP, it's 11 cents only, while other brand is 12 cents. Actually, 10 cents lang yung difference. It's not that expensive, pero if you print in volume, this cost accumulates and it becomes significant. Para naman sa CMY, so per color, the price is 1,690. Other brand is 760. Malaki yung gap sa price. Pero malaki rin naman yung gap in ml because for our CMY, this is 130 ml. But for the other brands, it's just 70 ml per color. And tingnan nyo naman yung page yield. Malaki rin yung gap. From 21,000 pages sa amin, sa kanila is 6,000 pages lang. So, if kailangan nilang habulin yung number of pages namin, you have to purchase 4 sets of other brands. So, it's already 80% more expensive. For cost per print, ours is just 24 cents, and other brand is 38 cents. So, that's 0.14 cents difference. So in the end, when we measure the cost per print, let's not look just at the price. Cost per print, total cost utilization is lower than other brands. So this should convince users to switch to Maxify without worrying on the ink cost. So for monthly duty cycle, for us, the maximum duty cycle is 45,000 pages, while for other brands is 40,000 pages. What is this? Maximum number of prints that the printer can print in a month without compromising its performance. So for us, kaya namin until 45,000 pages, and other brands only 40,000 pages. In fact, meron kaming machine and field that already printed 406,000 pages, and as you can see, okay pa yung print head niya. So this is without changing the print head ever. 406,000 pages na yung na-print niya. So, talk about durability, you can bet on the durability of this printer. And then, next is for convenience. If you have MacBook, you have Windows, you have Chromebook, we can accommodate this. The printer can be connected with these OS. And you can also print using your Android and Apple phones. You can even use USB. Nandito yung USB port niyan. If you have files in USB, ayaw mo mag-access sa laptop or sa phone, it can be printed, and you can also scan to copy sa USB. As Mr. Ace also mentioned, we have Canon Print. So this is our own application to help you print and scan, to help you set up your printers, check the consumable ink levels, and also access CloudPrint. So all in all, this printer will help businesses push their to the max. Okay, so that's it for Canon Pixma Paxify model. So we have the new GX 7170, GX 6170, and GX 5170 coming soon in the market. So thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoy the rest of the presentation.
Thank you, Cristel, for that very informative product presentation. So talagang our Canon printers meet every need of businesses here in the Philippines. So of course, one of the best ways to understand the real impact of Canon's printing solutions is to hear directly from business owners who use them every day. So we're privileged to have with us Dorcas Brion, founder of Bibong Pinay, who will share how Canon printers have supported her entrepreneurial journey. Let's all welcome Dorcas.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. And again, I'm so privileged to be here today. And again, I'm Dorcas Brion. I'm the co-founder and the brand owner of Bibong Pinay. So while it's okay lang. Yeah. So while they are sharing yung mga features ng Canon printers, talagang I keep on agreeing kasi this is not really to, sabi nga ni Ace kanina, baka scam or budol, just to encourage you to buy. But really, I can testify that these printers are really, I can say, life changers. So let me share with you, because when we started, I started as a pastor's wife. I call myself as an accidental entrepreneur. I don't intend to start a business. All I want is just to, to support my husband in his ministry. So, nandun yung pain point ng isang wife that, I want to help my husband. Kasi nung unang panahon, pag isa lang yung nag-work sa family, it's okay. Kaya mong mabuhay. But right now, the husband and the wife, kailangan nilang mag-work because sobrang hirap ng buhay right now, no? And that's why we came up with this intervention wherein the Bibong Pinay company's mission is to empower over 1 million Filipinas to start their own business. We want to see them thrive hindi lang sa business area but sa kanilang mga dreams and all. So again, this is made by Pinays for every Pinay. So with that, I just want to share with you how we started. So katulad ng iba, most of the time when you were starting a business, you need big capitals, you need big puhunans and all. But maniniwala ba kayo that I started from zero? As in zero. That time, we have a borrowed printer and hindi siya Canon. So, na-experience ko before ang ibang brand. And to my surprise, medyo madaming consumption. Yeah, because ang daming reject. And katulad ng sinabi ka kanina, yung kapag napupuno na yung inkpad, I have to go to the hindi nga service center. Parang it's a printing shop wherein nag-aayos sila ng inkpad. And sobrang hassle talaga siya. And when I was starting, nung gumamit na ako ng Canon, never akong never ako nagpunta sa mga service center. Kahit ngayon na nasa Negros ako, never akong nagpunta sa service center para magpaayos ng printhead or anything. So durability, it's real, it's true na talagang hindi ka may istorbo sa business mo dahil hindi mo kailangan magpagawa ng printers, no? So, when I was starting, yung kitchen namin, yun ang aming production area. So, the first book, na aking ginawa is Paano Mapagod sa Pagiging Wifey, because my niche market is mga work-at-home moms, stay-at-home moms, like me, no? So, and yan ang nag-start na kung saan nagkaroon pa ako ng ibang mga products like the My ABC Bible Verses, and it birthed to so many resources, and naging foundation din wherein nakapag-start kami ng homeschooling business. So, as you can see, ito yung part ng salas namin wherein nakalatag lang sa floor yung mga orders, yung mga papers and all. And yeah, this is our kitchen wherein yung mga printers namin nasa lababo, nasa floor and all. We started from there, I think mga 2017, no? And then, nung nagkaroon na ng GX Maxify series, nag-upgrade na ako sa mga printers. As you can see here, I have 20 G-series printers, no? Because nag-grow yung business. But when pandemic came, no? So maraming mga moms like me ang na-disorient and maraming nawalan ng trabaho. Doon kami nagkaroon ng shift, no, sa aming focus. So ako, from selling printed products using my Canon printers, I shifted my focus on, you know, just telling these women, helping women, inspiring them that they can start a business for as low as 6,000 pesos. Because the Canon G1010 printers are only 4,995 pesos. And the consumables like photo papers, hindi ka abutin ng 1,000 pesos if you want to start. So yun talaga yung pinaglalaban ko because ako, I started from zero, no? So from there to this one, so malaki na yung kumbaga yung breakthrough, yung milestone na na-achieve ng aking business. And again, right now we have almost 15,000 members. Yeah, we have back lang. Yeah. Back pa again, lumagpas. Yeah. So we have over 15,000 premium members of women, mga work at home and stay at home moms, wherein in-encourage ko din sila how to start a business. And most of them, ayan, almost 10,000 of them, nag-launch na sila ng kanilang printing business using Canon printers. Why? Kasi nga katulad ng sinabi kanina ng mga features ng printers natin, mababa lang ang cost ng ink. So, mababa lang ang cost ng ink, high volume print, so ibig sabihin, mas malaking masisave nila and ma-offer nila yung mga products nila at a lower price. So, these 15,000 women, no, talagang nakita nila that it's really possible to start a business with just one printer. Nang akala natin, yung mga ganitong printer is just office printers that can print files, docs, and all. But they didn't know that this printer is really, you know, life-changing, life-saver because it's really possible. And hindi naman para magyabang or mag-boast or to exaggerate. Parang my first 6-digit income as a stay-at-home mom is sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng mga planners. At right now, hindi lang ako yung mom na nakaka-experience ng 6-digit income na sometimes ang hirap ma-achieve kapag stay at home ka or nagtatrabaho ka sa corporate job and all. But right now, yung mga moms na alagaan pa nila yung mga anak nila and all while breaking through and achieving milestones sa buhay nila. So right now, we have again a growing of 15,000 members. We're in this women. Now, I also have this isang entrepreneur na meron din siyang business na kung saan nagtuturo na din siya like me. So habang tumatagal, dumadami na yung mga women that, you know, nagsistart na kanilang printing business at home. And we've launched a program wherein hindi lang namin sila tinuturuan mag-print, no? At i-maximize ang kanilang mga printers, but also how to market their products, paano i-automate the business nila, how to set up e-commerce and all. So really, nagtathrive yung business nila, not just because alam nila kung paano i-maximize yung printers. So what happens is, they have a sustainable business na kung saan talagang hindi lang nakakatulong sa mga bills nila, but improve their lives. So again, all through these years, we don't see Canon as a tool or just a printer or just a brand na kasama namin. Canon is, you know, nakasama ko sila in every milestone, in every season, and Canon is, in every season of our growth, we've had many ideas, but only a few true partners. Canon was one of them, and we don't see Canon merely as a tool or a brand we use, no? To us, Canon is a quiet, determined, and loyal force, a partner behind every breakthrough, every late night, and every milestone. Ito yung heart din ng mga almost 50,000 women na kasama ko sa community. And this Saturday, we will be celebrating our 2nd year. We have an event sa Philippine Trade Training Center, and lahat ng mga women sa community were gathered, you know, just to celebrate these milestones. And Canon is one of our co-presenters. Marami from our community are leveling up na from the G1010, G-series to Maxify. And habang nag-grow sila, nag-grow din yung business nila. So it's really possible to start from scratch, to start from small, if you have Canon alongside with you. It's really possible na maka-experience ng breakthrough. It's really possible na, you know, kahit wala kang idea sa business and all, wala kang malaking capital, yung future is perfect sa mga work at home moms and stay at home moms para ma-experience nila yung dream nila as a woman and as a mom. So again, ito siguro yung last message ko for everyone, no? So now with the lower cost of ink bottle and lower cost per night, you can push your business to the max. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dorcas, for sharing your very inspiring business story with us. It's really great to see and to know from these users how her business has been helped by Canon and how other businesses